Well, out there to you in this problem. We're going to take what we got. We have our total revenue function, and I want to know what number of X gets me the highest total revenue. Okay, so the way to do that, I'm going to write a formula. So I'll put 0 right there, and I'm going to hit equals on the keyboard. You can too. And we're going to fill in this function, and wherever we have an X, we're going to click that B3 cell. So I like to put things in parentheses because it keeps this this operation like together. So I'm going to say negative B3, and then if you want to raise something up to the power, you put the caret there, and this to the third power, and then I'm going to close my parentheses. Then I'm going to add, and I've got 3.5, and then I can't see it over there, but I know that it's in. I know that that is B3, so I'm going to multiply B3, and I'm going to raise that up to the second power. And I want this to happen first, so I can put like a double parentheses on there. And then I go plus, and then 6 times B3 plus 500. And that should give me 500. It did, because that's a 0, that's a 0, that's a 0, and it leaves us with 500. How are they making total revenue of 500 when they don't sell anything? I don't know. But now I'm going to fill in some other numbers, 2, 3. Well, now that I've got that, I can drag this down to like 15. And then I can drag the same formula all the way down there. And now I have my total revenue. That is, if that's a total revenue function. It's nothing telling me that it's not a marginal revenue function. Marginal revenue is something that goes negative. It doesn't really make sense to me. Why would you have negative total revenue? That would mean you're paying the customers to take the product away. But anyway, so 0, 1, so we're just looking for the highest number, and it looks like the highest number is 3. So the answer to this one would be 3. And the total revenue when you produce 3 is $522.50. And so that's how to calculate that. If you wanted to change up your function, you could, you just fill in, if you had a different function, fill it in that way. But that's how to set up a little total revenue in Excel.